She is the difference. Brought to you by Max Life Insurance.
You've been a single mother handling your finances all your life. And then, of course, आपने bounce back किया. You know, काफी उतार चढ़ाव देखे हैं आपने. Between you and Vivek ji, I would love to know that who takes the main decisions when it comes to finances. Because our next segment is called Max Life Insurance. She's the difference. So I'm going to give you some situations and then you tell me.
Okay.
But either ways, of course, I want you to anyway tell me that you've seen so much of, finances go up and down, that now how does it feel? Now also, now.
I have always been very particular about my money
Okay.
because हमको बचपन से सिखाया गया था money is not everything. Money can't buy you everything. I have learned money can buy you everything. Money
This
can
is
buy
like
you
me.
love also. So ये गलत चीजें बच्चों को मत
But
सिखाओ.
I have to.
Money
I
is
want
the
to,
most
It
important
has to
thing.
be this clap for you. This is exactly what I also always, tell Karishma or Saif. Or I want to tell my kids.
और मेरे को अपना पैसा भी चाहिए, बहुत जरूरी है. चाहे मेरा हस्बैंड बहुत अच्छा है, वो मेरा बहुत करता है और मुझे उस पे कोई शक नहीं है. आई बिलीव, आई हैव फुल फेथ इन हिम, आई बिलीव इन हिम. पर मुझे मेरा पैसा चाहिए बैंक में.
Yeah.
ओके,
Your security.
सिक्योरिटी. मेरा हस्बैंड बोलता है तेरे को, मैं हूं ना, तू क्यों एफडी करा. मैं एफडी कराती हूँ. एंड माय हस्बैंड इज अ सीए एंड ही सेज दिस इज द स्टूपिडेस्ट थिंग यू कैन डू इज एफडी.
Really?
क्योंकि उसमें बहुत कम आपको वापस रिटर्न आता है.
हाँ.
आई सेड पर मेरे मन को शांति है. तो they all make fun of me.
Yeah. That is very
मैं-
पुराना now, ना, to do
हाँ,
FDs because आजकल
FD.
वो
कि कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट करिए, एफडी इडियट.
हाँ.
सो बट आई फील वेरी गुड विद एफडी.
Absolutely, we are very similar in that way.
अच्छा.
I think it gives us that.
या मन की शांति
हाँ.
है ना.
Absolutely.
तन की भी शांति भी होती है, सब मजा भी कर सकते हैं पैसे में.
So I'm going to give you these placards, me or he placards. Okay? And I'm going to give you a situation and then आपको कहना है कि whether it's Vivek ji or you who takes these decisions.
विवेक तो नहीं देखेगा ये प्रोग्राम.
I'm sure, दिखा दीजिए because you're going to say and tell us everything
अच्छा,
now.
ठीक है. Okay.
आपने तो बता ही दिया that he's against your FDs.
हाँ, very
He makes fun of it.
Yeah.
So who's better at avoiding unwanted expenses?
अच्छा, दिखा दूं.
हाँ. अच्छा. So you're careful about that.
वेरी केयरफुल, वेरी केयरफुल.
कि ये क्यों करना है या what is it?
नहीं, मैं बहुत महंगी चीज अपने लिए भी खरीद सकती हूँ.
Okay.
लेकिन मैं टिश्यू पेपर बड़ा हो तो उसको आधा करके भी यूज कर सकती हूँ.
अच्छा. That's the kind of person
या या
thinking.
या.
So he is more like.
ही इज ऑल्सो द सेम मे बी, यू नो. वो अपना उस चीज में, पर हाँ, बट आई थिंक आई एम बेटर.
Okay. Who is better at organizing the house parties?
आई नो.
He's
डैम गुड.
damn good. कि ये starters होगा, ये
फिट.
all the
और he
bar,
loves
this,
calling
that.
people in मुक्तेश्वर. हमारे घर में वो सब टाइम सब.
So he decides.
Yeah.
On what will be served also.
Yeah, he's very good. He will ask me, but I know कि वो खुद जो है वो ही करेंगे, तो ठीक है.
So let him do it.
हाँ.
Yeah, why
अच्छा
not?
ही है ना.
हाँ. And does he cook as well?
No.
No. So that,
Yeah.
You're
But he has very good cook, so.
yeah, so that's fine. Who's better at planning long-term investments?
Obviously.
He's better.
मैं तो FD करती हूँ सिर्फ.
So he's more taking risks.
Of course, of course.
Of course, it's his profession also, I think.
Yeah. He was a partner with PricewaterhouseCoopers, PwC, so that's his part of his work. So
He's better and you take advice and he'll tell you.
Yeah. I
More of a
take
risk
advice.
taker.
All my friends, everybody take advice from him.
Oh, and call him.
Yeah. He's a very kind man, that he's very helpful kind of a person. He'll help anybody.
How sweet.
Yeah, very helpful.
And who's better at taking on grandparent duties?
Grandparent duties.
Which y'all are going to take on now? Both maybe. I think so.
Yeah.
Both are equally excited.
Yeah.
How nice. Who's better at helping explore business opportunities for Masaba? Though I think Masaba herself also.
No. Masaba will not move without asking him
Oh,
about
wow.
business.
About business.
He has helped her a lot. The past future कह रही हूँ. Future में भी करेगा. Without asking him, she won't take any decision about business.
That's
Yeah.
how nice.
Yeah.
And to have someone like that.
Yeah.
Who you
Always.
trust and,
Yeah. He's very good that way.
Who's the better Masaba muse? I mean, like, is that a question? But you, I'm sure.
He कहाँ से आएगा?
हाँ, तो he...
He तो laughs at my clothes also.
Okay, who's better at planning a solo trip? You don't like going solo trip. So I'm sure वो भी नहीं जाते.
He doesn't go solo.
So clearly I know that, you make all the difference with your loved ones. And that's really, really beautiful.